Everybody else is walking. I'm going to speak right no matter what anybody else is saying. Tell the Lord thank you. And so we can come to the table, and when we come to the table, we ask God to give us a right mind, and God can give it to you. But you have to repent. Tell God you are sorry. And mean it from your heart. When you have repented and asked God to forgive you, then you can partake in the Lord's Holy Communion without the feeling of guilt and anxiety. And the truth of the matter is, when you know the truth will make you free. So you can't trick anybody. You can't say, well, nobody knows what I have in my heart. But God knows, and if those things weigh you down, God is going to lift those things out of your heart. But first you have to ask Him to forgive you. You have to repent and say, Lord, I'm sorry. Say, Lord, remove this from my heart. I don't want it to be in my heart. And so before I can have the presence, this symbol of your body and your blood in me, I have to prepare my temple to be ready to receive the Lord. My spirit has to be ready. It has to be at a point, because the Spirit of God cannot dwell in a mess. The Spirit cannot dwell in a place of confusion. The Spirit cannot dwell in a place of uncertainty. When you are certain in your sanctified soul that you have gotten it right, then God can come in and dwell there. And when you have taken in the Holy Communion, God can say, I know that you really mean it. Then you can commune with me. And so observing the Holy